Welcome, CNG 132. I thought I'd throw this video in there. Getting a few emails sent to me about login. So if we go like this, I'm trying to impersonate your view. This will be close, but it's not exact. Let's see, then we'll go to select a course, CNG 132. When we see this course, we'll go to the course materials, content, and I hope it does it for me. I'm not 100% sure if it'll work, but when we see the content of week 1, there's my first video. If I click, say, looking at this first in the news and reading, someone asked where the essay prompt was. The essay prompt is right here. It just matches up the title in the assignment section. So information security site news would be the prompt for that. So, and then clicking these, if it's your first time, it'll open up sort of like a it'll ask you to create an account or log in or use a code. Make sure you just bypass that. Over in the left-hand section, I hope this looks on the left-hand section of your screen, should be a book with like a proceed anyways. I forget what the exact term is. Just click that. The book and all its contents like Cengage or MindTap, all that stuff's included in your course fee. So you don't have to pay extra. You just log into the virtual, I should say virtual, log into the online platform. There are a few more questions on the book itself. If you see what I did, I clicked the book on the right and then click the arrow to make it a full page. I can then see the cover of the book. Go in, click chapters. Click chapter 1, Introduction to Security. I can see the entire chapter 1 laid out in sections. When I look at the back, I see summary, key terms, review question, hands-on projects. That is what our projects in D2L are based off of. The case projects are the topics of your discussions. So pick those. Once again, if you're skipping through parts of the course, of course you're going to miss this stuff. You cannot, everything's in here for a reason. I do my best not to waste your time, but everything's in there for a reason. Just don't skip over it. Since there are a lot of you and just one of me, there we go. Use the lab discussion. That's a great place. I didn't even see this yet because I've been busy in the face-to-face. But in the lab discussion, start hopping in, and if you have an issue, post it in there. There's 23 of you guys, one of me. The chances of somebody else seeing that before me are pretty good. Seeing how I bounce between face-to-face classes, some admin duty, and then the online courses as well. There are times where I check it in the morning, don't see anything, and then won't check it again until afternoon time. Of course, it's 2 o'clock afternoon time. And then usually on the weekends, these first couple of weeks, I'll check in, I'll respond, but usually after that, I try to have a set period where I'm mostly just available during the week, and I do try to answer you guys during the daytime as fast as I can on emails. But then after, as it gets later in the day, I start to do different duties and then switch those emails to probably answering them first thing in the morning. So just be aware of that. Once again, I'll get to these real quick, but as you see, people are using the lab discussion already. If you see the answer or you know the answer, feel free to jump in there and say, hey, this is how you do it. A great place to ask for help. Again, probably quicker than I can get to it. Yeah, because I'm in class, was in class. Nope. So I should have got those probably yesterday or early this morning. Oh, I was in class. So Once again, if you see questions and you know the answer, post those. Help your other students out. I'll get around to everything. All the emails the first couple weeks are just busy. It's you guys trying to get used to the course, and me trying to get you used to the course. So the best we can help each other out, the better off everyone is in the long run.